So hello guys, we're recording a demo for Stealthwatch and Duo integration using SecureX. We're going to start the demo from actually looking at a notification in my own environment to monitor a specific Stealthwatch demo system. In this notification, we've received that there is an automated Stealthwatch incident. It's called data hoarding. There is an IP involved in that. There is destination IP involved in that, and the user is TME. So this is one way of notifying a user there is something wrong and we need to fix it using WebEx team. It could be also creating a casebook inside SecureX or actually creating a ServiceNow ticket. So what's happened in that specific event? I'm going to go and look at Stealthwatch. So basically, in Stealthwatch, you see all the events in here. Some of the incidents are being shared back into SecureX using the response manager. So this is the event we're looking at. The observables are 10.182.1.1.16, same as we had in the WebEx teams, and the same destination. And this will explain the timeline of this event, when it actually happened, the sightings, from which destination to which source, and what actually came from. We're going to look into that specific event, clicking into deselect all. We're going to focus on that specific one. We click on that specific alarm to see all the actual occurrence of this alarm, and then we're going to go directly to the flow, just to show exactly what we did with that specific workflow. So this will show us the communication, the source IP, destination IP, and the context behind it. So what we know about this is the source IP, this is the URL, that's the exact username that was used, this is the host name plus the username. So this is why you've seen inside WebEx Teams the TME username. This is the process, which is in this case Chrome is being used, and we're using an actual HTTP communication to a specific bad destination known to be data hoarding. Remember, this is a demo and an example that we know that this specific host is being used to actually exfiltrate data to that destination. We can base the alarm either based on the destination or based on the unusual amount of traffic being sent to outside. So let me go ahead and show you the actual workflow, how it actually worked and correlated all the info. So I'm going to run it now again. So it's looking at specific time when this workflow did run. So we can automate this based on a scheduler instead of actually hitting the run button. It could run by itself and go through the event, see if there is a new event, which is a specified event. In this case, it's looking at a specific event, which is the bad destination host list. This is the one. And it's looking at specific IPs because it found that this event is there. We started all the info about that event, what's the source, what's the destination. And then when it's find it actually go into using the Duo to do a response. Or if it doesn't find anything, the condition will go into, okay, this time we didn't find anything. On the next schedule, we'll run and maybe find something. So when you heard now, my phone actually got a notification on it. It's actually the Duo mobile authentication. We're going to go look at that and then see what that alarm. So that alarm is saying there is Cisco security alert. We need please approve or decline. And the username is TME and the timing when this actually occurred. I'm going to actually click deny. It shows me a prompt saying, why are you denying this request? I'm going to say it seems to be fraudulent. And then since it's actually fraudulent, I'm going to actually deny it. And then by this case, the user have actually denied that specific situation of that specific traffic because he doesn't know what it is. And then we know and we get a notification inside WebEx Teams about that specifically. So again, now we have another notification about this and how it occurred and when. So that's it. That's the idea of the demo. You've got a bad activity that the user did not know about. We used SecureX to automatically pick up that bad activity, notify him through Duo, and we used Duo to allow or deny and specify why we deny it. And that's a good use case to actually give control for the user and also for our security team, notify them about what's actually happening. One other thing could be maybe creating a ServiceNow ticket for somebody to investigate or create a casebook. It doesn't have to be always isolating a host or stopping the traffic. That's the whole idea. Thanks, and hopefully this is useful.